Hey, it's the morning. We got to unload some hay, bale some hay yesterday. It was good and cool. It only got up to about 97. It was a little breeze. Anyhow, I got to let my dogs out. Put the dogs up at night. I hate to do that. I like to just let them run free. But they got to wandering. They like to go over and visit and bring some of the neighbors' doggy toys home. And I wouldn't mind so much, but they got to go across the road up there, and the road is too busy. But anyhow, y'all ready to get out? I got these here collars I put on them. Kind of keeps them in line a little bit. Shock collar. They don't seem to hardly feel anything though. Their hair is so thick. Anyway, when my daughter's not here, I gotta be the one to let the dogs out and feed the chickens. Hey, there's Sidewinder. Hey, don't Sidewinder. She's about 13 years old, maybe even closer to 15. I don't know. And gotta feed the dogs. I feed the dogs dumpster treats. Would never buy dog food for them. I don't know what in the world they put in dog food, but it ain't for my dogs. Ain't that a pretty view? Yeah. We got a couple loads like that we gotta put up in the barn, so guess we better get doing it before it gets too hot. I'll give these dogs a couple of steaks and some pork chops from the dumpster. Sometimes there's roasted chicken, and them dogs eat pretty good. Sometimes we don't eat too bad either from there. Anyhow, they had roast chicken this morning. That was what was on the menu. Yep. Anyhow, nothing but the best for my dogs. Oh, I gotta get the chickens some hamburger. Yeah, hamburger's good for chickens. That's protein, you know. Turns them right into breakfast food. Them chickens will go after the hamburger first. Watch. Yeah, they'll tear that hamburger up. Them dogs love to ride on a wagon. Well, two of them do. The other one likes to sit on it until it starts moving, then he jumps off. Anyway, I got to take down my tent shop so I'll have the room to fill the silo. That time. Got to be getting things ready. Will my antique equipment hold up for one more year? Will it hold up for one more load? We will find out. Got to feed them cattle a little bit of something. I know you real cattle growers out there, they probably look like they're right spindly. They'll put on the pounds. I don't know. It's how my customers like them. Tasting real good, not just overlaid with layer upon layer of fat that needs to be trimmed off. I mean, they got good marbling and right fine tasting, but anyhow, we got to get put them out in here after they get a little nibble, and then we got to bring in that hay elevator and get the hay up yonder. I ain't figured out a way I can put them all on there real quick on the wagon and jump up there and unload them and stack them quick enough, so I got to have somebody on the wagon too. That's the problem, getting help. Got to stack a little bit of this back before I bring the other up, so guess I'll get to doing that. This is our rope swing. I got tied up there so the dogs, they like to play with it too much. Sometimes I wonder if I can still climb that thing. Overhand like I used to. Hey. Well, we got the elevator in. Got to run the extension cord over there. Oh, hey. I was happening to think I wanted to say hey to my good buddy Slade down South Georgia. Today's his birthday. Happy birthday, Slade. One of these days I hope to get down there and maybe I can learn a thing or two from you about how you do real farming. Hope you had a good one. Snoopy's always a big help. I don't know how it's working. Finally got the last bale. One we were looking for.